senior citizen went down to 50, I think around 56.
Oh, really?
55, 56. Tapos
Okay.
yung PWD tumaas. Mga 40+%
Are
na.
there lesser old people now?
I mean, it's just in 2 years, right? So,
What happened to the old people?
so that data is, so we did a survey among restaurant owners. And syempre sa amin, parang that shift is quite alarming, right? Because if it's that high of a shift, and what's gonna stop? And if you see fake PWDs that you can easily buy in Marketplace or in Facebook
You can.
for only
People
300
do.
pesos, 400
People
pesos.
do that.
There's I think parang it's there may be a gap in the system because how you get the ID is coursed through different LGUs, right? So
Local
different
government.
LGUs have different templates on the ID. So I think that's what the government or the NCDA is now fixing to unify that.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of complaints and ang kawawa dito, I mean the most affected by this are the legitimate PWDs, right? Because these guys, because the benefit is really intended for them, but
How
because
much is the discount?
20%, 20% less VAT.
Okay.
So these legitimate IDs, legitimate PWDs that have IDs, because there is no trust in the system, they get affected. So
Because they get turned down?
well, it's
Or
now
are they rejected?
because well, it's a now when you look at the system, when you look at the card, the way to verify that is through a system. So there's a monitoring in the Department of Health website.
Okay.
Now, if your name doesn't come out, we would assume it's fake
Okay.
because it has to be updated. And for the rest, so both sides has to be protected, no? So, mahirap sa PWD, hindi mo siya mapapansin eh. Kung may
Hindi mo siya
PWD ka,
mapansin?
I can be not all disabilities is physically, you cannot, right? So,
Hindi,
What kind of what kind of condition must a PWD have to be considered somebody with...
I think you apply for it and there's a doctor that would
What
say.
I mean is that, what sickness? Fever, chronic something?
I think for a disability,
Pilay, or what?
what we see, may mga psychosocial disabilities,
Kung baliw
may
ka,
mga ganun.
if you
may
meltdown, kung lagi ka na meltdown,
So, but that's,
PWD ka ba?
so doctors na yun, nagbibigay. So, yung sa amin lang, parang we really, so our organization, our association, we want to support, to really help the legitimate PWD users. So, yun yung
Yeah.